Welcome to the President's office. I'm Kenny, I'm the official secretary.
Thank you.
This is the President's aide de camp. Please come in.
Apologies for the delay.
No problem. Okay.
Your Excellency,
How are you?
nice to see you here again. Your Excellency, this is my officer, consular officer.
How are you? I don't know this guy.
You don't know?
Oh, come and take a seat.
Thank you, Your
Take a
Excellency.
seat.
Thank you. Donna?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Attend with her. Yes.
That was like yesterday. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.